Thread forming screws. Thread forming screws are multifunctional screws which make their own mating threads when screwed into a drilled or punched hole. The beauty of these screws is that they do not cut the material. Instead, they form their threads by displacing the material. While repair or servicing, if a thread forming screw is lost, the same can be replaced by a normal metric screw of corresponding dimensions. Thread forming screws made of steel are generally case hardened. These are ideal for assembly in sheet metal of hardness approximately 150 HV. Stainless steel thread forming screws are ideal for assembly in aluminium sheets. The holes can be drilled or punched depending upon the thickness of the sheet. Thread forming screws have the following benefits. No need of tapping to be done. No requirements of any washers. And they offer adequate resistance against vibrational loosening.